In this video, we will be doing another example of setting up the triple integral given a 3D shape. So we have the shape right here. We know from this description that this shape is bounded by the plane x plus y equals 4 and the cylinder y squared plus 4z squared equals 16. The first step we want to do is we want to set up our triple integral. We put dz first, then we can do either dx dy or dy dx. In this problem, I'm going to do dy dx. Okay, now we want to find the inner boundary for dz. And in order to do that, we know that the equation for the cylinder is y squared plus 4z squared equals 16. So we can solve for z. Isolate the z for z squared equals negative y squared plus 16. Divide 4 on all of these terms. You have z squared equals negative y squared over 4 plus 16 over 4, which is 4. And in order to solve for z, you get z squared. Find the square root of this on both terms. Z equals square root of, I'm going to put the 4 first. 4 minus y squared over 4. Okay, so this will then be your inner boundary for dz. Square root of 4 minus y squared over 4. Now, the lower boundary, looking at this shape, it stops at 0. Therefore, the lower boundary is going to be 0. Okay, moving on. How do we find the boundaries for dy? We know right here that the plane x plus y equals 4. So set z to be 0. You have x plus y equals 4. Let's draw this out. Okay. X plus y equals 4 is equals to y equals negative x plus 4. 4 would be the y-intercept, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise negative 1, run 1, rise negative 1, run 1, negative 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so this will be your line, x plus y equals 4. Now, because we solve for y here, we now know what the boundary for y is. It's negative x plus 4. And when doing dy dx, the slider will be from left to right. And if it goes up negative x plus 4, it can only go down until this point, which is 0. So the bottom boundary is 0. Last but not least, for x, you can only go to the lower boundary of x at this point, which is 0. And the upper boundary of x at this point, which is 4. Therefore, you now have a triple integral set up for this 3D shape.